Contract lawyers versus legal document automation tools. Which one is better for SMEs? Most small business owners get this wrong by thinking that technology alone can handle all their legal needs. The surprising truth is that while legal document automation tools save time, contract lawyers provide expertise that can prevent costly mistakes, especially in complex or high-value agreements. Legal document automation tools are online platforms that generate contracts using templates and simple questionnaires. They are fast, affordable, and useful for standard agreements like NDAS or service contracts. For example, a freelancer hiring a subcontractor might use an automated tool to quickly produce a basic contract. However, these tools cannot interpret nuanced legal language or adapt to unique business risks, which could lead to loopholes or disputes later. Contract lawyers, on the other hand, offer personalized advice and risk management. They can draft, review, and negotiate contracts tailored to your specific business needs. For example, a lawyer can ensure that intellectual property rights are properly assigned in a partnership agreement or add clauses that protect your company from liability in international deals. Their experience reduces the likelihood of costly disputes or unenforceable contracts. So, which is better for SMEs? If your contracts are straightforward and low risk, automation tools can save time and money. But if you're dealing with high-value deals, complex partnerships, or cross-border agreements, a contract lawyer provides critical expertise that technology alone cannot replace. The key takeaway is that the most successful SMEs often combine both approaches, using automation tools for routine contracts and lawyers for strategic or high-risk agreements. This balance optimizes efficiency while protecting your business from legal exposure. Choosing wisely ensures that your contracts support growth rather than creating hidden risks.